Hello children, today we will start one new chapter of your second term in your elementary grammar book, page number 45. The chapter's name is Number of Nouns and Pronouns. So what is our today's topic? Number of nouns and pronouns. So quickly to know about this, I am going to write one thing on my board and look at this very carefully. First, if I write C-A-T, cat. So this means I am telling about one cat. One is number and C-A-T, cat I have only written. That means I am talking about one cat. But similarly, if I write C-A-T-S, what does it mean? That means I am talking about more than one cat. More than one. So the S is telling us that I am not at all talking about one cat. Now, where we should use S, where we should use ES, where we should use IES, today we will learn this, okay? So first we will learn where we should use S to make the number, make the noun or pronoun plural. So now come to your book, page number 45. There are few pictures. One boy, one cat and one apple. So the noun boy, the noun cat and the noun apple stands for only one. Only one boy is there, only one cat is there and only one apple is there. That's why it is written only apple, cat and boy. No other S or ES is not added with that nouns. Now these nouns are called singular nouns. If there is only one thing or one person or one animal, then that will be singular. So what is the definition of singular number? Any noun that stands for only one person, one animal and one place or one thing is said to be in singular number. So the cat is singular number. But when I talk about more than one cat, if S is added with this, then this will be plural. Now what is plural? If there is more than one person, more than one thing, more than one fruits, more than one animals, then that will not be singular. That will be plural. Children, remember, one thing means singular, but more than one things or more than one person means plural. Now, in the next picture, in your book, there are also these pictures. In the first pictures, there are two boys, not one. In the second picture, there are three cats. And in the third picture, there are four apples. So, in these pictures, we can see no single things are there. Okay? So, the boys, the cats, the apples. Just look at this. Here it is not written the boy. Boys is written. S is added with this. In the next picture, cat is not written. Cats are written. So S is added to tell us that this is not at all singular. This has been changed into plural now. So what is the definition of plural? The nouns boys, cats, apples are therefore said to be plural number. So plural means if there is more than one thing, more than one person, more than one animal, that is in plural number. Now there is also the pictures houses. So if I write cat, that means one cat. If I write cats, that means more than one cat. Similarly, in this, it is written house, that means one house. But if it is written houses, that means there are more than one house. And similarly, tree and trees. Tree means one tree. Trees means more than one tree. Now come to the next page, page number 46. There is the picture of a cow. And if we made it plural, then it will be cows. A boy means one boy. Boys means more than one boy. So similarly, there are list of numbers. There are few words written in your book, like book. Book means one book. But if you are writing books, that means there are more than one books. So book is singular. Single things, that's why it is singular. But if there is more than one thing, then it's plural. Plural means there are more than one things. Okay? So today we will learn only where we use s. Okay? So s is added only such things like book, books, toe, toes. So only you have to add s and read the chart of the words very carefully. So book, books, toe, toes, horse, horses, nose, noses, shoe, shoes, window, windows. So learn this and by heart this. Okay, remember this very carefully. And in our next English 1 class, we will be learning where we should use es. Okay, students. So thank you. Have a very good day.